Well, let's attempt to straighten this wiper cowl area out a little bit. See, it's kicked back pretty far. Sprinkled down pretty bad. So we'll see what we can do. So I'm going to try and Porto Power from the inside. And took a column, cluster, get right on the back. Chose my path of least resistance. And then I just welded some scrap stuff on the floor. And hopefully that'll work. Getting a little better. That's pretty good. Get that whole crushed area out of there. Got a little bit of a low spot left in there. That's okay, because I'm probably going to cut all this out and replace it anyway. But at least I know now when I go to put the new one on, everything's going to be lined up. This is going to pull everything that got pushed back when it got dented, got pulled out with it. So, sweet.